What's up, y'all? It's Judeus back again for another unboxing video. Today we're going to check out the Jordan 1's Neutral Olive Metallic Colorway. This is my first pair of Jordans. This colorway was actually getting a lot of hate online. Not really a popular colorway from a lot of people from the comments I was reading, but you know, I liked them just because they look so unique. So I ordered them the day they dropped. Before we get into it, make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button. I appreciate if you guys do that. Help me out on algorithm. So let's get right into it. So these just came in today. So let's see, we got the Nike box right there, a little faded. So I usually wear a size 9. So these, from what I understand, are true to fit size. The box comes in, got the red inside, got the Nike logo at the top. Comes with a card. Air Jordan 1 High OG Utility number 1. So put that away. Comes with a really cool bag, a little tote bag. You're supposed to be able to, the bag, you're supposed to be able to connect your shoes or reattach your shoes. And then if you want to take the bag off the back of the shoe, you should be able to connect it to this part. So this feels like a really good material. It's kind of got like a green, almost like a gold color, but it's supposed to be a neutral olive, but looks more gold to me. Comes in the Air Jordan 1 wrapping paper. This is my first time seeing these. So, and right out the box, they look pretty cool. They're really unique. So, like I said, these really weren't popular online. I was really able to pick them up really easily from the sneakers app. And it looks like, you know, it comes with a pair of black laces. These ones right now, they come stock with like almost like a cream color. And like I said, the colorway looks like almost like a goldish green, but in silver. The actual colorway is a neutral olive. So you have a pocket right here. Inside, there's a foam. This side, there's another pocket. More foam on the inside. And on the back, this is what really makes the utility stash version. It's really unique, is the pockets in the back. Zipper is really plastic. Doesn't feel very high end. That probably would be my only complaint right now. You got the Nike Air on the tongue. And then you're supposed to be able to take these bags off really easily. You just simply slip off right here at the loop. You just pull up from right there. See what it looks like with the bag off. That was pretty cool. Look pretty good without the bag. They got the OG High design. Put these back on. Again, really easy to put back on. There you go. So it looks like with the bag back on. Get the black sole on the bottom. I might swap out the stock laces for the black ones. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think they might look better with the black. And then, let's check out the other one. And the same one. Really interesting colorway. I know a lot of people won't like this just because they're so shiny and bright. But we don't get them because they're hype. We like them because I like it because it's really unique looking. The way I'm gonna lace this is probably gonna be the loose style. Right now this just looks like I don't know. I don't like the way these are laced coming out of the box. So I'll probably fix that. I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think of this colorway? I know it's crazy. It's really unique though. It'll probably grow on me a little bit more, but like I said, this is my first pair of Jordans. I know these are gonna be challenging to pick an outfit for, but you know, these are meant to be worn, so let's try and figure it out. Oh, the fabric itself, it's made of, I don't know, it's like a smooth canvas. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comments section below. Overall, pretty cool.